What's up guys, back with me again, gue Mesa, and today we are doing a photoshoot at the Jatiluwih terrace. We're going to shoot for Galungan and Kuningan day with this traditional dress, Kebaya or whatever you call it. This is our model, the sexiest model in the world. Intan. Jatuh dong, lupa aku. Satu, dua. Satu, dua.
You don't need a killer, pregnant for me.
Satu, dua, tilu. Okay guys, so we have arrived at the entrance to the waterfall, and it's kinda late now because she was late. This girl, yeah, she was late. So we also late now to go down to the waterfall. It's almost dark. Fortunately, I have some flashes. The cow, sorry. Okay, so I think there is nobody down there. It's gonna be dark and challenging for us. Okay, so we have arrived, and this is gonna be our first shot here. You said what's cold? Di batu. Naik di batu. Oh my god, it's really cold. It is cold, man. Okay, good. Ya. Masalah cahaya. Oke, tahan. Abang ya. 1, 2, 3. Oke, tahan bentar. Oke, this is my setup. And also what over here? Tahan dulu. Oke, siap ya. Push. Agam. Oke, tahan. 1, 2, 3, tahan. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Tahan, gelap. Oke, tahan. 1, 2, 3, tahan dulu.